throwing the towel. My back's to the ground.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Off the rep, he got that voice, bro. Pause. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, what the?
Is Hera? I hope this is right. Hera Shook. Silent sentence. Let's see what's up, man. Hold on. Let me turn it up though. Let me turn this shit up though. Yeah, all right. Hera Shook. Let's get it.
It's the way she got me stuck in a chokehold. Call me cold. Should've known she'd have me shook. I'm down and out for the count. It's the way she got me stuck. Caught up on her, just don't her. Should've known she'd have me. Should've known she'd have me shook. Just throwing the towel. My back's to the ground.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Off the rep, he got that voice, bro. Pause. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You feel me? But he do got that good voice, gang. I'm working on one I think you will like, but it's so line here. Translated. Hey, man, take your time, man. Take your time. No cap. I got you. I react to. I appreciate you. Them English lyrics really be helping. By the way, when you dropped the react on YouTube of the song I sent you last time with Tia Cola, I gotta find that stream. Let me know what day that was so I could edit that. I forgot what day that was. May, whatever you said in Spanish, sí.
Ain't no hope left. Just throwing the towel.
Let me walk in. Ooh, hold on. Okay.
Ain't no hope left here now. Oh, feeling black and blue. My ego been bruised. Oh, no. I've been too conceited, thinking this was easy. You might be my weakness.
Sing it. Oh, hold on.
I hate to admit it.
Okay.
The truth is I'm tripping. Can I get a witness? It's the way she got me stuck in a chokehold. I'm down and out for the count. It's the way she got me stuck.
That's hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Should've known she'd have me. Should've known she'd have me sure. Who could ever stand a chance? Once she throw her hands, she bound to hear my plea. Left, right, down, I'm done on my knees. Someone call me a referee. If the battle till my fate, girl gon' be the fate. Right out of me.
He had no goddamn notes. Alright, he's hitting them goddamn notes. Goddamn, that W song. I ain't gonna lie. All right, bet. Yeah, I'm gonna be editing this weekend. So bet. Got you.
Oh no, I've been too conceited, thinking this was
Iceman May 15th. Oh. Alright, let me stop running back a little bit. Can't wait for that to drop though.
I've been too conceited,
yes.
Thinking this was easy. You might be my weakness, girl. I hate to admit it.
Okay.
The truth is I'm tripping. Can I get a witness? It's the way she got me stuck in a chokehold. Call me cold. Should've known she'd have me shook. I'm down and out for the count. It's the way she got me stuck. Caught up on her, just don't her. Should've known she'd have me. Should've known she'd have me shook.
Nah, this is, yeah. You got it. He got it with this one. I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is banger. That shit hard.
It's the way she got me stuck in a chokehold. Call me cold. Should've known she'd have me shook. I'm down and out for the count. It's the way she got me stuck. Caught up on her, just don't her. Should've known she'd have me. Should've known she'd have me shook.
You know what's crazy? He only stayed in one place, bro. It was all in one place for this video. That's... Come on, bro. He didn't even have to do too much. You feel me? He didn't even have to do too much. Now, I'm giving that song a 9.5 to 10. I'm not even gonna... That right there, amazing. You feel me? That shit tough. You can't even deny. That's a hit, bro. That's a hit, man. Yeah, bro. My birthday May 13th or Iceman May 15th. Iceman May 15th. 44 years old. This made me feel like I'm 24. Okay, Unc. Okay, big Unc. Shit. Like that.